Amber Anning doesn't seem to have an answer coming up the home straight. It's Nakisha Pryce. It's a super sweep. Pryce, Brown, Anning.
So breaking news, Nakisha Pryce just become the first Jamaican woman to run to break the sub 50 seconds by running 48.89 seconds, and it is recorded as an NCAA record and also a Jamaican national record. Nakisha Pryce ran a blasting 48.89 seconds to win the women 400-meter final at the NCAA championship, becoming the first Jamaican woman to break 49 seconds. 19-year-old Kellen Brown was second position in 49.18 seconds. So basically, a big shout out to Nakisha Pryce. She's amazing, and definitely gonna make Jamaica proud at the Paris Olympic, because I mean, she just broke the 49 seconds barrier. She becomes the first Jamaican sprinter to ever broke the 48 seconds 49 seconds barrier by running 48 point something seconds, and I feel like she's definitely gonna be great. She's gonna be great. She's going to do amazing at the Paris Olympic. A big shout out to Jamaica. A big shout out to this amazing sprinter. I can't wait to see what she has for Paris Olympic 2024.